So hi again. Today we have another problem. The problem is juggler sequence. Now, what kind of sequence is this? Basically, you are given a particular number n and you have to generate this sequence. How we can generate this sequence? Look, they are telling that if the current position element is k and if that element k is odd, then we will power it by using 3 by 2. And otherwise it will be even. If that is even, then we will power it by using half and generate a of k plus 1 means the next element, right? So let us take an example and suppose the n is 9 here, the n is 9 and for 9 it is odd number, so we will use 3 by 2 and the answer will be like we can write this like this, right? Half and whole to the power 3. It is also correct, right? So 9 of half means the square root. So the answer will be 3 and to the power 3. So 27. And for the sequence, the first element will be obviously 9, then second element will be 27, and for third element, we will consider this element. We will check basically this number is even or not odd. So it is an odd number. So we will perform this operation again. 27 to the power 3 by 2. That will be 27 to the power half to the power 3. So that will be our answer for this element. So they are telling that the answer will be 140 and so on. For odd number, it will be to the 140 to the power half, that will be 11 and so on. So it's an easy question, right? So we will use recursion here. So let us try to write the code. The answer vector, a solve function that will take answer and n, and we will put n at first and return answer. Fine. Then again void vector in answer and n, right? So what will be the best case? They are mentioning that when the number becomes 1, then we have to stop here. So for that, if n is equal to 1, then we have to stop. Now, this is the time to calculate the current position element by checking the previous one, right? So for that, let us have the access of the previous element, and that will be int length is equal to and the size minus 1. Now we have the last element that was inserted before. So now check if it is even or not. So if it is even, then uh, answer of sorry len mod 2 is it even? Then we will perform int of power of answer of len, and if it is even, what we have to do? We have to just power it by 0.1, 0.5, and then if it is odd, then we have to use 3 by 2, right? So int power of answer of len and 1.5 here. Cool. Now let us store that value into the current n, and we have to insert this n into our answer vector. Push, sorry, push back. What will be the element that is n? Now the n is updated. So let us call the solve function again and pass the current n, and yeah, that is our code. Hopefully we have done all the cases, and let us check again. Okay, so we are just getting the last element, and we will calculate the current position element and we'll pass it. Hopefully everything is correct. Let us try to compile our code. Okay, for 1 it is 1 obviously. Let us change our test case for 9. Fine. The answer is correct. Let us try to submit. Nice. It is working. So yeah, so this is a basic question of a sequence problem, and you can use recursion. Okay, so for time complexity, it is kind of in, not proper in, because we don't know when the current position element will become 1. So it is near about n, and the space complexity is order of n. Also, we are using answer vector, and also we are using auxiliary stack here. So yeah, that is the approach. Hopefully, you have understood what I am trying to say. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.